myself Paramjit Kaur. I welcome you all on Shri Siddhi Vinayak Educational Study Channel. We have covered our first part of speech, that is noun, in our previous video. And today we are going to discuss about one of the most important part of speech, that is pronoun. Okay, there are 8 parts of speech in English grammar. Parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in English grammar: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. We have already discussed noun in our previous video. Today we are going to discuss pronoun. What is pronoun and the definition of pronoun? Before discussing pronoun, we have to discuss two most important components in English grammar, which is subject and predicate. These two components are very important components of any complete sentence. Okay, what is the subject and what is the predicate? Subject. Subject. What or who the sentence is about. What or who the sentence is about, and what is the predicate? Predicate is, it tells us what the subject does. Got it, students? What the subject does. Okay? The subject, what or who the sentence is about, and the predicate, what the subject does. Let's look into 2 examples to make clear the subject and predicate. Example: Radha was eating a sandwich. Let's see. Radha was eating a sandwich. Okay. Here, what or who about the sentence is Radha. The sentence is about Radha. Got it? So Radha is a subject. The sentence is about Radha. So Radha is a subject. And what the subject does? What the subject does? Radha was eating a sandwich. So sandwich is a object. And it's a predicate. Got it, students? Let's see another example of subject and predicate. The dentist pulled out a tooth. The dentist pulled out a tooth. Let's see. Who about the sentence is the dentist. So dentist is subject. Okay. So dentist is subject. And what the subject does? Pulled out a tooth. So it is a predicate. And in this predicate, tooth. Tooth is a object. Got it, students? What is the subject and what is the predicate? Subject, what or who the sentence is about, and predicate, what the subject does. The dentist, example is the dentist pulled out a tooth. Dentist pulled out a tooth. So, what about the sentence is the dentist. Okay. And what the subject does? Pulled out a tooth. So, it's a predicate and the tooth is a object. Got it, students? I hope you clear the subject and predicate. Now, we are going to discuss what is pronoun. What is pronoun? As we all know, what is pronoun? Pronoun is the name of, pronoun is a word that is used in place of noun. Mean to say, it is a replacing of noun. It is a word that is replacing of noun. Got it? Example of pronoun: he, she, it, I, we, they, you. Okay. Now, why we need the pronoun? Okay. Let's see why we need pronoun. Tell me, students, why we need pronouns? To avoid repeating of nouns. First is to avoid repeating of nouns. Okay. Why we need pronouns? To avoid repeating of nouns. Okay. Repeating nouns makes second one. Repeating nouns make our sentences complex. Let's see some examples using noun and pronoun. Example: using only noun. Raz bought a book because Raz wants to read it. Here, Raz is a noun. Okay? Using noun and pronoun. Raz bought a book because he wants to read it. Let's see. In this example, we use pronoun instead of noun. Got it, students? It makes our sentence a simple form. Okay? Another example: the dog was barking because dog was hungry. It is about by using only noun. By using noun and pronoun. The dog was barking because it was hungry. In this sentence, we use pronoun instead of noun. Got it? Another example. Let's see another example to make clear why we use pronouns in the sentences. Prakshi was crying Prakshi's father gave Prakshi a bicycle. By using only noun. By using the same sentence by using noun or pronoun. Noun and pronoun. Prakshi was crying so her father gave her a bicycle. So, in this sentence, we use pronoun instead of noun. Clear? Okay, students. We use pronoun to avoid complexity of sentence. To avoid complexity of sentence. Okay. Pronouns can be subject or predicates. Pronouns can be subject and predicate both. Got it, students? These are some important keys about pronouns. We use pronouns to avoid complexity of sentence. Pronouns can be subject or and predicate both. Got it, students? That's all what we covered in this video. Subject, predicate, etc. And in next video, we will discuss the types of pronouns. Thank you and have a nice day.